Have you ever thought that you might be doing badly in school due to non-academic consequences? Today, I will be presenting an article called The Combined Impact of Diet, Physical Activity, Sleep, and Screen Time on Academic Achievement by Erin Faught et al. The study was conducted from 2016 to 2017, and it evaluated whether healthy habits influence how well elementary students performed. This is very important, as it is a known fact that a healthy lifestyle improves your physical health. But this study asked a different question. It asked, can healthy habits improve academic performance? The researcher aimed to answer two main questions. First, do individual habits like diet, sleep, physical activity, and screen time affect academic achievement? And is the combined effect of multiple healthy habits stronger than a single habit alone? The researchers predicted that individuals who performed more than one healthy habit would perform better than those who did not follow any or only one. To answer these questions, the researchers studied over 4,200 students in grade 5 from Nova Scotia in Canada. These students completed daily surveys about their diet, physical activity, screen time, sleep habits, and the researchers also measured their height and weight to see if those had any effect also. After a year, all of these students took a standardized test measuring their math skills, reading skills, and writing skills. This allowed the researchers to see whether healthy habits could predict future academic performance. This study evaluated whether students met official health recommendations. For example, eating enough fruit and vegetables, limiting sugar intake, getting enough sleep, which was around 9 to 11 hours each night, limiting screen time to less than 2 hours per day, meeting recommended physical activity. Each student then received a score on how many they followed. The strongest findings involved those related to diet. Students who followed a healthy diet were more likely to perform well in school. In particular, those students who had a lower intake of sugar and an adequate intake of foods such as milk products and protein sources were associated with better academic outcomes. The research concluded that a healthy diet was the most consistent factor in one's academic performance. Sleep and screen time also played important roles in determining academic performance. Students who got their recommended sleep time performed better than those who didn't, especially in writing, which is very interesting. Similarly, those who limited their screen time also met more academic goals. These findings supported the idea that sleeping the recommended time and limiting screen exposure helped children learn better. One surprising factor was that physical activity did not impact the academic performance as significantly as previously thought. However, the authors believe that this might be due to limitations in their research, as it did not capture all aspects of physical activity. Another important finding was that weight did not impact academic performance. This shows that healthy habits are more important than weight for predicting academic performance. The most important finding was that the cumulative effect of healthy habits. Students who followed the greatest number of healthy lifestyles recommendation had much better academic outcomes, compared with students who followed only a few recommendations. Students who followed 7 to 9 recommendations were likely to over 3 times more likely to meet expectations in reading, almost 3 times more likely in writing, and about 1.5 times more likely in math. This shows that healthy habits work together rather than independently. Like all studies, this one had its limitations. Some lifestyle information was self-reported, which may not always been accurate. The researchers also only measured television screen time and not other devices such as cell phones. Also, academic performance was measured using standardized testing, which may not fully represent a student's abilities. In conclusion, This study found that healthy lifestyle behaviors are strongly linked to academic achievements. Diet, sleep, and screen time were especially important, while body weight itself was not a significant factor. The stronger results came from combining multiple healthy behaviors. And the researchers suggested in the end that schools should promote a comprehensive, healthy lifestyle because these habits can improve both students' health and their academic success. Thank you.